Welcome to Planet Crypto Today, your channel for news related to the world of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin price reaches new high. The Federal Reserve rescues the banking system with money printing. Ethereum ETH surpasses $1,800. Shiba Inu price ready for rally towards new highs. Panamanian entrepreneurs discuss the need to regulate cryptocurrencies. South Korea could benefit Ripple with its new regulation. Brazilian model becomes an avatar to teach cryptocurrencies in the metaverse.
If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it.
Bitcoin price reaches new high. The price of Bitcoin reached a new 9-month high of $27,000 after the U.S. Federal Reserve injected $300 billion into the economy as part of its response to the banking crisis. The event effectively undid months of liquidity tightening under the Fed's quantitative tightening. Bitcoin bulls are attempting to overcome resistance, while the liquidity provided by the Fed ends the quantitative tightening initiated in 2021. Bitcoin followed a strong performance of U.S. stocks the previous day. Arthur Hayes, former CEO of derivatives giant BitMEX, revealed that he is selling stocks for cryptocurrencies. The Federal Reserve rescues the banking system with money printing. The Federal Reserve rescues the banking system with money printing, injecting nearly $300 billion into the banking system to help with loans and avoid a liquidity crisis. Economists, such as Peter Schiff, predict that inflation will increase. The Fed allocated $143 billion to troubled bank holding companies and lent $148 billion through the discount window. It also launched the Bank Term Funding Program and lent $11.9 billion. Experts estimate that the Fed could inject $2 trillion into the banking system and reverse the impact of the quarter. Banks have an unrealized loss of $620 billion due to the drop in government bond prices. The People's Bank of China has also resorted to quantitative easing by injecting $92 billion into the market. Ethereum ETH surpasses $1,800. Ethereum ETH surpasses $1,800 mark in a 27% rally over the past week. Bitcoin BTC hits $27,000 for the first time since June and experiences a 37% increase in the last 7 days. The overall crypto market closes in the green, with all top 10 cryptocurrencies experiencing gains. The total crypto market capitalization reaches $1.22 trillion, a 7% increase in the day. The strong wave of liquidations in the crypto market reached over $253 million, led by Bitcoin. Binance Coin BNB has a strong likelihood of reaching the $400 mark. Shiba Inu price ready for rally towards new highs. The price of Shiba Inu is showing signs of correction after breaking a long-term resistance line. After reaching a new annual high of $154, the price fell and validated the resistance line as support. Although the price has since bounced back, the daily RSI is still below 50, which does not indicate a clear bullish trend. If the price continues to increase, it could reach the resistance of $147. But if it falls below the resistance line, it would confirm a bearish trend and could drop to the support of $850. The 6-hour time frame technical analysis suggests that SHIB's price correction may be complete, but the breakout of the resistance line and recovery of support would confirm this. Panamanian entrepreneurs discuss the need to regulate cryptocurrencies. Panamanian entrepreneurs are discussing the need to regulate the cryptocurrency market in the country, as the sector is constantly growing. Regulation could improve transparency and security in the market, attract foreign investment, and protect users. Currently, cryptocurrencies are mainly used in the country for sending and receiving remittances and for investments. The growth of cryptocurrencies in Panama is expected to boost the country's economy and generate employment in the sector. Entrepreneurs also emphasize the importance of educating the population about the use of cryptocurrencies and their potential. The possibility of creating a regulatory entity to oversee and control the cryptocurrency market in Panama is being discussed. South Korea could benefit Ripple with its new regulation. The country has presented new regulations for the cryptocurrency sector that will be implemented soon, and it could benefit Ripple. Ripple's on-demand liquidity service, which uses XRP in the Asia-Pacific region, has experienced growth due to the demand for quick settlements and immediate access to funds. The new regulation will identify which digital assets will be considered security tokens and subject to financial regulations. XRP may not be considered a security token, as it is a payment token. This would provide regulatory clarity to Ripple and could increase investor confidence. Ripple is currently fighting a lawsuit in the US by the SEC for alleged fraud. Brazilian model becomes an avatar to teach cryptocurrencies in the metaverse. Brazilian model Fernando Lacerda has become an avatar to teach users about cryptocurrencies in the metaverse. Fernanda has created an avatar in Decentraland that is capable of interacting with users and explaining basic cryptocurrency concepts and how they work. She has received support from various cryptocurrency companies such as Binance, who believe that this initiative will help promote cryptocurrency adoption in Brazil. The metaverse is gaining popularity and becoming a common place for companies to interact with users and promote their products and services. Fernanda hopes her initiative can help educate people about cryptocurrencies and improve their adoption.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your family, friends, or enemies on your social networks.
You feel fucking